Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So recently I picked up this late 1950s, early 1960s Federal popcorn warmer and dispenser. This is a super cool machine. When we got it in, we did a full detail and service on it. We took the plastic out, rebuffed it all out, got it real nice. We went through the area that holds the popcorn. It's all clean, so when you receive this, it'll be ready to go. What's nice about this is it's not a popcorn popper, but a popcorn warmer. So you just fill it with the bags of popcorn, and then we cleaned everything out inside. All of this has been hand painted. This is a super fun machine for the kids and everybody. You take the lid off, and back here's where you place the cups in it, and the cups are still available. They're hot cups for coffee. They're about 20-ounce cups with the big lid. They come in cardboard. So what we're going to do now is I installed an on and off switch on it so that you can turn the machine on and off in your home. Come on up here, Jeff. Let's show them how it works. This is really fun for the kids because it drops the cup and as well as it fills it full of popcorn. This is a lot of fun right here. So that's nice warm popcorn, right? Just like it says, everything works correctly, okay? So once you get your popcorn, you simply take it out and you'll enjoy some nice fresh popcorn. All you do is go down to your local big box store and buy some popcorn, put it in there, and it is ready to go. All hand painted, all cleaned up, runs good, a lot of fun. This is gonna look great outside of your home movie theater, right? When you put it there, everybody can come in and get some popcorn. Once again, the cups are still available. Thing runs good, looks good, is good. And if you'd like it, we'll get it out to you ASAP. And we'd also like to thank everybody who watches our videos. You are chiming in with some great responses. We appreciate it. We keep doing them. You keep watching them. Everything's working good. Anyway, thanks for watching.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.